Good morning. Today's topic of the class Learning Saturday as a patent, new idea of patents and connecting to the students. How we can connect the students and how we can get the new idea regarding patents and copyrights. Here, according to respected sir, he said that we have to explain about the new ideas and the collaboration of the students making the teams. So today we are having the lecture regarding it. First one is new idea and opportunities for the students and connection. What is patent? Uh, Nowadays, in our university day-to-day life, we are hearing what is patent and patent. Patent is an intellectual property which is based on your intelligence, where we have to identify our novelties on the projects, where we have to develop the new ideas, new inventions. Why the patents matter for the students? The first question arises from the students, from the faculty, what is the importance in our life for the inventions of patents? So we have to discuss about it. The patents make a huge impact on their CVs because this is authorized by national government of India from Delhi. This is very important for their CV and their future. Student friendly patent idea examples. Now we can connect the student with their life, with their genuine problems such as their education problems, their problem statement of their life. What is the student connect? Now student connect कैसे कर सकते हैं? The platform of network that links the students is mentor and industrial experts. We can connect the student as a mentor level. For example, we are having TG students. We can connect them together by organizing a meeting, by organizing the small group discussions. We can connect them, as well as we can also connect as a industrial experts. We are going for industrial visits. So after the visit, we can analyze and we can also ask the questions that what we have seen there, what are the problems the industries are facing, and how we can overcome it. So by that we can connect them and we can make a patent project. Facilities, idea exchange, feedback, and collaboration, cooperative projects. So here we also can connect the students by cooperating projects from one team to another. Also, we can provide them their facilities from the such as new ideas, new sensors, or etc. Opportunities through connecting the students. There are many opportunities accessing mentorships for the patent and drafting the prototypes. These are the steps to capture the research, prototypes, testing, and draft claimed, as well as filed prototest. So basically, according to HOD sir, he said me that we have to connect the student for making the patents. So he also given the solutions. We can organize the clubs for research and development. In it, we can connect the student together and make the instructions by the mentor or by the HOD sir for day-to-day life. We can also ask the updations of their projects and we can connect them and we can give their solutions which they are asking to us on the WhatsApp, on the Zoom meetings and web online meeting classes. Types of patent mostly. One is industrial design patent and one is invention regarding to our own field. For example, as we are as a IT, we are working on IT sector, so we can focus on IoTs or हम लोगों ने IoTs तो बहुत सारे बना लिए, लेकिन अभी तक इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोजेक्ट्स बाकी हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल डिजाइन प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो दिस इज माय वन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, name is multi-axis bottle design, which is built by me as a industrial design. In it, according to their questions, we are filling their respected answers. Also, We are also giving the novelties which are very important for our projects, as according to our team members, they always asking about the back existing technologies and what are the new novelties in your project. We can mention it. This is my project, this is my design, a multi-axis bottle which is designed by me as a new invention and for the industrial design. In it, how we are identifying the novelties: multiple axis segment bottle body, each body section rotating at the different angle, and distinctive novel linear output shapes, and etc. These are my novelties which I am asking for the patent.